And hello, and if you want to get ready, if you want to prepare yourself for an ice bath, then this video is exactly for you. Yes! I will give you some assignments. I will give you some tricks and cheats how you can take cold showers and jump into your pool. But all of these assignments, or preparations are not needed to come to my ice workshop, to come to the ice bath. If you have time, it's perfect. Do it, and you will get better over time, and you will really get prepared for the ice bath. If you don't have time, no worries, all okay. You just come to the ice bath workshop and you follow along with me, and everything is working out there. So, what do? I give you two assignments. I give you two options. What option number one is I show you how to take cold showers, and option number two is I show you how to go into your pool and how to prepare in the shower or in the pool to be ready for the ice. So let's go. To take your shower really easily, what you need is to take the shower head and then you put it here. You start here on your shoulder blade and then the other one. And you go from one side to the other side, from one side to the other side until everything feels okay. And then you just shower the rest of your body cold. And this is really the thing, cold. You start with a cold shower. And afterwards you can go to hot and just enjoy the hot. And that's it for now. If you can also start in your face. This means you start with a cold shower here, go to your shoulder blades, face, shoulder blade, face, and you breathe slowly, deep and slowly out. This is it, and let's have a look how this looks like. Okay, now I feel my body is adapting, and I'll just shower easy way.
In case you have a pool and you don't take a cold shower, but you take a pool, and here's a little cat. Okay, so then you can take just the cold training in there and you go in real quick. This is what you want to do. Go in real quick, breathe normal or breathe very slowly. Breathe slowly. This is the most important thing. And when you just feel comfortable, just come out. Or when you achieve to breathe slowly, then come out. And let's go. That's all.
So now this was all from me. Now you know exactly how you can prepare your body and yourself in the best way possible to come to the ice bath workshop, and follow along with me. And for now, I just say keep on practicing, do your preparation if you have time, and I can't wait to see you on the workshop.